How to replace the fresh air filter in your LG French door refrigerator. LG French door refrigerators contain a fresh air filter that helps remove odors. It is recommended that you change the air filter approximately every 6 months. When the replace filter indicator appears on the control panel, it's time for a replacement. Locate the filter cover on the refrigerator's inside back wall. Depending on filter model, it will be either square or rectangular. Turn the filter cover counterclockwise about 30 degrees to release the tabs, then remove the cover. Remove the old filter from inside the filter cover. Place the new filter inside the filter cover with the side that says front facing outward. Align the tabs on the filter cover with the hooks on the refrigerator wall. Rotate the filter cover clockwise until the hooks engage and the cover locks in place. To clear the replace filter notification, press and hold the button next to the air filter indicator on the control panel for 3 to 5 seconds. The air filter indicator light will then turn off. Note that there are 2 settings for the fresh air filter that can be activated in the control panel. In auto mode, the filter will cycle on and off as needed. If set to power mode, the filter will cycle on and off for 4 hours before automatically switching back to auto mode.